Good morning, students. How are you? Hope you all are fit and fine. Students, today we will learn simple present tense. So, be ready for it. Students, according to simple present tense, if our subject is singular, then we add s or es in our word. So, first of all, we will look its formula, and the formula of simple present tense is subject plus verb plus object. If our subject is singular, then we add s or es in our verb plus object. Means if our subject is singular, then we add s or es in our verb and then we put object. Or if our subject is plural, plural, plural subject, there is no change in our verb, then object. If our subject is plural, then there is no change in our verb and then after we will put our object. Now student, look at our example of singular subject. If our subject is students, if our subject is singular, we prefix s or es in our verb. Or if our subject is plural, there will be no change in our verb. So student, first of all look at our example of singular subject. If our subject is singular like he, she, it or one name, then we add s or es in our verb. But if our subject is plural, these are singular. If our subject is plural like they, we, you, I or more than one name, there will be no change in our verb. Okay student, if our subject is singular like he, she, it or one name, we add s or es in our verb. If our subject is plural like they, we, you, I or more than one name, यानी एक से ज्यादा name, there is no change in our verb. Now student, we will look where do we add s or where do we add es. We divide our board into two parts. Student, rule number 1 is if washes. If our verb is teach, T-E-A-C-H, teach, and in this verb we also add es, and it will be teaches. If our verb is text, then and its ending letter is x, so here we add es to make in our verb now it will be texts. Okay student, now look at number 2 rule. We add ies to verb that ending end, ing, that ending in consonant plus y. If we add ies to the verb that ending in consonant plus y, like, do you know what are consonants? Yes, there are 5 vowels A, E, I, O and U, and there are 21 consonants, and these are B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K and so on. Okay student, now look at its example like fly. Its ending letter is Y, and before Y we find L consonant. So we add ies in place of y in this verb, like flies, flies. Now look at its next example, try, try, try. Look student, its ending letter is y, and before y we find r, and r is a consonant. So that we add ies in place of y in this verb. So our verb will be tries, tries. Okay student, now look at next example, study, study, study. Look student, its ending letter is y, and before y we find d, and d is a consonant. So in this verb we add ies in place of y in this verb. So our verb will be studies, studies. Okay student, now look at another rule. Rule number 3 is we add s to verb that ending in vowel, V-O-W-E-L, vowel plus y. Here we add ies if our verb that ending consonant plus y, and here we add only s to verb that ending in vowel plus y, like play, P-L-A-Y, play. Its ending letter is y, and before y we will find a, and a is a vowel. So we add only s in this verb. So our verb will be P-L-A-Y-S, plays. Now look at next example, buy, B-U-Y, buy. Look at its ending letter is y, and before y we find the vowel u, so that we add s in this verb. So our main verb will be buys, B-U-Y-S, buys. Okay student, So we will be careful that before Y is consonant or before Y is a vowel. Okay? Now we will look our next rule. Rule number 4. That ending in E means we add S to verb that ending in E, यानी जिन वर्ब के लास्ट में E होता है उनमें उस वर्ब में भी हम S ऐड करते हैं सिंपल प्रेजेंट टेंस के अकॉर्डिंग. लाइक इन दिस वर्ब bake, B-A-K-E, bake, and its ending letter is E, so that we add S in this verb. So our verb will be bakes. Now look at next verb, care. Its ending letter is E, so that we add S in this verb to make it verb according to simple present tense. Like live, it will be lives, like or likes. Okay, student? Now, student, look at our next rule. Rule number 5. We add S to verb that ending in consonant. मीन्स जिनके लास्ट में, जिन वर्ब के लास्ट में कॉन्सोनेंट होता है उन वर्ब में भी हम एस ऐड करते हैं सिंपल प्रेजेंट टेंस के अकॉर्डिंग. लाइक break, B-R-E-A-K, break. In this verb we add S. Breaks. Its ending letter is consonant. Like eat, E-A-T-E. Its ending letter is consonant, so that we add S in this verb and our verb will be eats. As like swim, S-W-I-M, swim. And in this verb, its ending letter is M, so that here we add S to make it verb according to the simple present tense. Okay, student? Now we will look our sentence example as a singular subject. Okay? Look at our example of singular subject. And according to singular subject, our formula is singular subject plus verb plus S or ES plus object. If our subject is singular, like one name, Lata. Lata was is the verb and object is hand. Lata was sentence will be Lata washes hand. Full stop. Now look at next example. He go to the market. In this sentence, he is a singular subject, go is a verb, and the market is our object. So that our subject is singular, here we add es in our verb. So our correct sentence would be he goes the market. He goes to the market. Now look at our next example. She teach, T-E-A-C-H, teach. She teach to us. Full stop. Look student, its ending letter is CH. So that we add ES in this verb. She teaches to us. Now look at next example. Riya play games. In this example, Y. Look, its ending letter is Y, and before Y here is a vowel. So that here we add S in our verb. So our sentence would be Riya plays games. Okay, student? These subjects are singular, like Lata, he, she, and Riya. Okay, student? So that here we add es or s in our verb according to our subject. Now we will look our plural subject. Okay, student? Example of plural subject. Now we are looking example of our plural subject. Like they teach us. Full stop. They is a subject that is plural. So that in our verb there will be no change. We write our verb as it is that is in our question. They teach us. There will be no changes in our verb. Like we go to the market. Look student, in this example, our subject is plural. We is a plural subject. So there will be no change in our verb. So our sentence will be we go to the market. Okay, student? Now look at next example. You write a letter. Look student, in this example, you is a plural subject, so that there will be no change in our verb. You write a letter. Do you know what are our plural subjects? Our plural subjects are they, we, I, you, and more than one name. मीन्स एक से ज्यादा नेम होंगे तो भी हम वर्ब में कोई चेंजेस नहीं करते. सो स्टूडेंट, these are some rules of our simple present tense. Now student, I will give you some sentences for homework. You will do these sentences in your extra notebook because this is the revision of simple present tense. Okay? So you will do these sentences in your extra notebook. Okay, student? Till then.
So student, these are some sentences that you will do in your homework.
Till then our next video. Goodbye everyone and take care.